I'm Coach Allie here at the Circus Arts Conservatory. In today's hula hoop tutorial, I'm going to teach you combination tricks using tricks from my previous classes. So be sure to check those out first. The first combination trick I'm going to show you combines kick start with knee hooping into wedgie. So the first thing we're going to do is place the hula hoop on our right foot, stick your left foot in, and we're going to kick the hoop to start it, stick your foot in, and go to knee hooping. From here, you're going to take your right leg out, bring it behind, and then when the hoop's open at the front, you're going to step your foot back on the ground into wedgie. Remember, kicking high knees. When you're ready, go ahead and stick that back leg in and grab the hoop. The next combination trick I'm going to show you is kick back into a chest roll. So, you're going to place your right foot onto the hoop, make sure it's flexed. You're going to kick the hoop back, and at the peak, you're going to point your foot and let the hoop pop up into the chest roll. So you're going to reach your arm out, tilt your head back, and let the hoop roll across your body. The last combination trick I'm going to show you is escalator into bun hooping. So we're going to hold the hoop out to the side, stick your foot back into the hoop. Remember, foot to knee, throw the hula hoop at your belly button, and instead of reaching up to grab it, you're going to let it hit your bun. And from here, you can stick your left foot out. You're going to tilt your head forward and catch it on your foot. Thanks so much for watching my combination tricks tutorial. Stay tuned to CAC Connects for more hula hoop tutorials to come. And remember, keep calm and circus on.